I didn't think that there was a place for me. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm starting a week in my life video. I think it'll be a fun little week. I don't know, we don't have a lot going on, but I figured it'd be fun to film. I want to try to do one of these at least like every month, just kind of to remember our year. But this week, it's Martin Luther King Day today, so Max doesn't have work, but I woke up and did a Peloton ride with a few friends. We've been like meeting up, like virtually obviously, to ride our Peloton bikes. I have like the fake Peloton, but it's been really fun and it's been really nice to have the accountability because I feel like it makes the rides go by faster and make sure I actually do them. But now I'm just gonna make some breakfast. Okay, next thing I need to do is feed my sourdough starters. I have 2 starters that I'm working on right now because I was afraid one of them would fail. I think maybe both of them have failed now, but we're gonna keep trying. So I'm finally sitting down to get some work done. Do you guys ever do this where you get up like and get after it in the morning and then somehow I was like on my phone? I guess I just ended up doing more chores and stuff like cleaning up and tidying up, and then I like, now that I'm showered and completely ready, it's 11:45. Like, where did the day go? Anyway, I am going to get some work done. I want to do a big like master plan for the rest of the month. So I have my planner and notebooks, but while I do that, I'm gonna have some snacks. I've been drinking one of my like green smoothies every day, and I really love it. I feel like I think the biggest reason I love it is because it feels really hydrating and it's just nice, especially after like a workout and stuff. So I just like keep these in the fridge and I shake them up, and this is the Naptime Kitchen Daily Greens recipe. I'm gonna try this. I got this dip. It's the Green Goddess dip from Trader Joe's, and I'm really excited to try it. We were really bored, so we called Emily and Pat, and now we're gonna all go on a walk because there's nothing else to do. Taking a family walk.
I'm glad you joined us.
I know.
Our little evening stroll through the Arctic.
You're supposed to go sleepy.
And wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear.
Good morning, you guys. I'm getting a slower start today because I woke up with a headache. I slept in a bit. I'm working on my first cup of coffee, and I am trying to get my computer to airdrop me a file so I can post it, but if that doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, you know? It's not that serious. So I'm gonna do some journaling real quick, and then I am going to probably make some breakfast and get ready for the day. I might just put on comfies today because I don't actually have to be anywhere. I think I just need to do a bunch of editing. Emily's gonna come over this morning, so I think we have a little bit of work to do together, but then I think she has some work to do for herself.
What you've got.
This is today's outfit. Jogger sweatpants and a cozy sweater.
I met a young man.
I'm doing a week of my life. Yay! Work day.
I feel like I say yay at the beginning of all of them.
We're gonna look at Emily's website.
I need a website audit of my new website. Because it's overwhelming.
Websites are hard. Emily's having toast. Okay, Emily left a little while ago. I ate some lunch. And now I'm just finishing editing this video. I think I'm gonna post it Thursday instead of tomorrow anyway, so I don't have to finish it today. I still have a headache, so I think I'm going to work on this a little longer, and then I'm going to maybe go take a nap or something. I feel like maybe reading would be good. I feel like looking at screens doesn't help. Okay, so it's been a little while. I ended up laying down for a little bit thinking that would help my headache. I don't think it really did, although I ended up being on my phone a lot, so that's probably why. And then my friend Kathleen called me, so I talked to her on the phone for like an hour because we haven't caught up in a long time. And then I finally took a bunch of pictures of dresses I want to sell on Poshmark. So I listed all of these dresses on Poshmark so that hopefully some of those will sell and I can ship them out. And now I'm making dinner, and I'm also making a batch of my green smoothie that I drink like almost every day. So in here right now is spinach, celery, and cucumber. And I'm just blending that up. I like to blend that all up a lot first, and then I'll add banana, mango, and actually I have some cilantro in the fridge. I'll probably add to this as well.
Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
Another ride done. Today we did Cody Rigsby's intervals and arms, and it was really hard, but I rode with my friend Stephanie, and I swear it makes all the difference to have someone that you're riding with. Like, it's just nice. We actually have a little accountability group, and it's so fun. So anyway, I am gonna go eat some breakfast and then get showered and ready for the day. Okay, let's talk about sourdough. Oh, it's really dark over here. Maybe I need to put it over here. I'm gonna go get my starters so that I can try to revive them. I might have stopped. So the first few days, they were rising and falling every day like they're supposed to. But then, I don't know what happened. I transferred them into a different bowl, and ever since then, they've stopped expanding. So I think I need to feed them more often. From what I Googled online, I think that's what you need to do, is feed them more often. So I'm gonna feed them today. I also don't have a scale, and you're supposed to measure like in weight how much flour you're putting in there, so possibly that's the problem. Okay, so doing that made me realize that I'm probably not doing this exact enough. So I think today I might run out and grab a food scale. I know that you're supposed to use a food scale for things like this, but for years, food scales to me were associated with like intense restriction with food, because I used to like weigh and measure everything. It's like a stupid Weight Watchers thing. So anyway, I have been kind of like anti getting a food scale, but I think just for my sourdough purposes, I'm gonna get a food scale, and I'm only gonna use it for that because I don't need to measure my food out, because I can just listen to my body and honor my own hunger. I have been liking like going ahead and getting ready from the neck up, or at least doing like a light makeup. I mean, all my makeup I do is pretty light, and doing my hair every other day so that it's just done for 2 days. It's just nice to be like a little bit put together, because I always look at it like if I have my hair done and like a little bit of makeup on, I can always just like switch my outfit if I have to, and I could go somewhere or whatever. I'm just sitting here working. I posted a new video and a new blog post, and I actually had a guy come and look at our fireplace because we're gonna get a new fireplace insert there. That black thing is gonna be different. So we're working on trying to pick out what that's gonna be. It's very hard, there's a lot of different details. I also got our second wedding ceremony pictures back today, and I love them. I'll put a few on the screen, they're so pretty. I'm so excited about them. My friend Megan took them and she shot them with film. I made myself a little lunch and then a chai tea latte because I need a little energy for this afternoon. I was getting real tired, probably because I'm sitting like this on the couch, but these are my impulse purchases.
Is this what we've come to? We have to make funny videos in Target now?
That's all we have left, honey. You need anything else? Okay, we just got home from Target, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got, even though it's nothing exciting. Okay, we got paper plates, parchment paper, so I can bake some sourdough bread. A food scale, also for the sourdough bread. A huge size of peanut butter M&Ms because I needed them. These True Foo things, powdered Tide, OxyClean. Got this jar. This is probably the most exciting thing I got. This jar, so I can put my sourdough starter in it. Bread flour, because I don't know, you just go through a lot of flour if you're baking bread, and I'm feeling like I'm gonna be baking some bread, hopefully. Okay, checking on my sourdough. It's not looking any better. I'm gonna feed them again. Ended up just getting started with work, and then while some stuff was loading and transferring files on my computer, I just cleaned the whole kitchen. It doesn't look perfect, but it's pretty good. I'm just working in my kitchen today so that I can, I don't know, do more things at once. Okay, I have good news. This guy rose. So I think maybe the key is that you have to have the lid on a little tighter than I did. I've gotten a lot done. I got some emails responded to that were kind of hard. Don't you guys feel like there are like easy emails and there are hard emails? The easy ones are like when you just have to respond to someone real quick and be like, yes, no, yeah, here you go, whatever. And then there are the hard ones that are like, you have to really think about it. You have to like figure things out. You gotta like look at your calendar. You gotta organize things. I had some of those today. So anyway, I have one more email because it's with our insurance people that I think I messed up something. Anyway, so I'm gonna email that, and then I am gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna go to the post office and drop off this package, and then I think I'm gonna go take a bath maybe. I just feel like getting cozy. Okay, I just got home from my walk. Sometimes I am in such a walk mood, and sometimes I'm not, but today I totally was, and it was so nice. I did like the long loop. There's like a part of our neighborhood that I call the long loop, and you can probably hear I just turned on the bath to fill up the tub because I want to take a nice relaxing bath. All right, so I'm just getting ready for bed, but I was just thinking as I was brushing my teeth how crazy it is that I like get to talk about body positivity and stuff. Like, one, just because like if I had told myself 5 years ago that I'd even be like discussing this with someone else, I don't know if I would have believed that, because I was so like in it at the time. Like I was so like, I didn't think it was even possible. But also even like a year ago, because even though I feel like a year ago I was like feeling really good about my body, I was still like, I didn't think that there was a place for me in all of this. Like I didn't think that I like deserved to be a part of all of it. And I posted this picture on Instagram today, and it's a picture of me in a bathing suit. And I took these over the summer, and I was very like, oh, I'll never post these, like whatever. And it's funny because this one in particular is like one of the least flattering ones. I guess I can put it on the screen. But it's me in like a high-waisted bikini from this summer, actually from September, that I had Max take, and I was like, I'm just gonna post it because I wanted to promote the podcast that I was on this morning, that I posted this morning. And I wanted like a bathing suit picture because that feels so like outside of my normal comfort zone. I mean, what I'm really most like surprised by is how I have no embarrassment. Like I don't feel weird at all posting that, because I'm like, it's what my body looks like. I'm not trying to hide it. I'm not trying to pretend it doesn't exist, which inherently means that you like respect it. Like I respect my body. I still might not be like, oh my God, I'm so happy my thighs look like that. But I know enough to be like, I love my body for what it does for me, the places it takes me, the person it lets me be, and truly I love that I get to connect with other people based on my body. I like that I can be a confident person in this body. Anyway, it's just been kind of a funny day to have that podcast come out and post that picture and just be thinking a lot about like that this is like a place on the internet I get to have, is like talking about body positivity, like something that I literally never thought I would even get to. I don't know, I just gotten so much out of being able to be like helpful in even just a little bit of like a beacon in terms of like hey, someone else has struggled with this too, because for years I didn't know that anyone else ever struggled with this. Okay, I'm gonna read my book and go to bed. And tomorrow morning I'm waking up to ride my bike. And I'm actually gonna film my morning routine for a separate video. I don't know if that'll be up by the time this is up, but I'm excited to film that, so. Good night. Good morning, guys. This morning I filmed a morning routine, which I'm really excited about. It was a little, I like didn't sleep well because I was stressed about filming it this morning, but it went totally fine. It was not that hard. I don't know why I was all stressed about it, especially because like if it didn't go well, I could just film it again tomorrow or another day next week. So anyway, but I think I have a sourdough starter that is ready to be baked into bread. So we're gonna see, because we'll just see. So we're gonna start with 400 grams of warm water in a glass bowl. But first we need to figure out if our starter is mature enough. So you apparently take a bowl and you fill it with cool water and then drop some starter in it, and if it floats, it's good to go. So hopefully it floats. I have tried this before and I've never had, I don't think I've ever had one float. I'm gonna try this one, even though this isn't the one I thought I would use, but it looks very bubbly. It floats. Wow, I can't believe that. I'm so impressed with myself. This is my starter floating. Okay, so maybe this one is not a total fail like I thought. I'm just so excited that a starter is working. Guys, we might have bread. I'm gonna mix this up. Feels very wet. I forgot 300 grams of bread flour. Goodness gracious. All right, I'm headed to the post office. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. How did I even do that? Oh my gosh, I just like totally drove out of my neighborhood and went the wrong direction. I didn't realize. I'm going to the post office, and then I think I'm gonna go to Dunkin' and grab another coffee because I'm pooped today. So I got a iced coffee with 2 pumps of toasted coconut today. Decided to be a little crazy. I was gonna get a cold brew, but I think that has a lot more caffeine in it and I probably don't need that much, so. Just got that today. I don't actually know if I love the coconut, but it's a fun change. It feels holiday. Oh my God, I remembered. Okay, I've had this in my purse for like a week now, more than a week. My friend Allison knit me this koozie. Look at this. These don't look that pretty, but they're gonna be really good. We're going over to Emily's house for some dinner, and I'm bringing the lemon bars, and that's pretty much it. Okay. Look at this spread. Good morning, you guys. So yesterday on Instagram, I asked if people wanted to see just a week in my life and then a weekend in my life, or they wanted me to put it all together, and most people said 2 separate videos. So I'm gonna end this video here today. I was gonna show you guys baking the bread, but I'm gonna put that in the next video. Yeah, last night we had so much fun. We just went over to Emily and Pat's and we played poker because Max has a poker set and we've never used it. So we were like, well, might as well. So it was actually really fun. I lost every single solitary game, and Pat's sister Molly won like almost all of the games, so, or all of the rounds, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna end the video off here for the week of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching, but be sure to watch my next video, which will be my weekend in my life, because I'm gonna finally bake the sourdough bread. Things are looking good. I don't know, we'll see though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow me for more videos. Bye-bye.